F-35 is a little bit higher than...
Attack on Pearl Harbor, more than half of America's entire naval fleet had been destroyed or damaged. Nearly 2,400 Americans were killed. Over 1,200 wounded at the time, 960 people. 188 aircraft destroyed, 140 Akaga, Hiru, Soru, and the 2 new carriers for wool pajamas and ran to a working Curtiss P-36 Hawk, just like the one right here in front center with the green with the yellow nose. All the rain lasted for a little over 2 horrific and gruesome hours. Yes, you have a front row seat in the Pacific Theater as the story of the attack on Pearl Harbor with guns loaded, except for this Sunday morning. The Japanese Zeros and Valves, the attack in Japanese, and managed to shoot down a few of their Zeros, Valves, and Kates. The number of enemy aircraft were incredible.
Was grounded from their 30 caliber machine guns. However, they quickly ran out of ammunition and took off once again to fight the Japanese.
The two and the Utah. These Kates were specially equipped with shallow-running torpedoes, specifically designed for
1 million pounds of gunpowder. Sailors on the Nevada watched in horror as the Arizona jumped 20 feet into the air and broke into 2 pieces. For every traffic, 1,170 American servicemen. The ship sank in less than 3 minutes. Crying black tears as reminders to all those who lost their lives that infamous day.
Private First Class Melvin Thompson was on guard duty when 9 Zeros attacked the base. He stepped out of his guard shack. He drew a Japanese pilot, Yoshio Shiga, saw Thompson firing back at them. Years later, Shiga remembered Thompson's tenacity and fighting spirit, describing the lone Marine as the bravest American I've ever seen.
All over the island, soldiers were bringing their weapons to bear in the fight. Anything that had been working, their 45 caliber pistols are straight to gates. Meanwhile, at Bell's airfield on the northeast of their B-40s. Unfortunately, Japanese Zeros appeared at the same time and started strafing runs. One P-40 pilot was killed, P-40s were shot down just as they got off the ground.
Centers are Kate, torpedo, and bow. The front crews landed wherever they could. One of them in a pineapple field not far from Bakersfield. A B-17 pilot, Major Landon, said trying to land would have...
And like America itself.
Countless of thousands of ground vehicles. The United States of America's dedication led to the surrender not only of Japan, but Nazi Germany as well, giving peace and freedom to the entire world. We do this in appreciation of that dedication. The Tora 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 sponsor group is a part of the Commemorative Air Force, an organization dedicated to preserve in flying condition. For more information in our show schedule. We've had the privilege of being your narrators for today. All together, we are Tora Tora Tora. Back to you, Ellen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Give it up.